Learn English by talking.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English by Talking. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, the weather's perfect for learning English today, isn't it?
It really is. Today, we're going to do something very special.
What's that?
We're taking you on a complete English journey, real-life conversations you can actually use.
So, not just boring grammar lessons.
No grammar walls today, I promise. Just warm, natural conversations you can use every day.
At home, at work, at a cafe.
Exactly. Anywhere you go.
So, where do we start?
We'll begin with the most important topic, talking about yourself.
Because every good conversation starts there, right?
Exactly. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying Learn English by Talking, please subscribe and hit that like button.
It helps us keep making these lessons for you.
All right, let's begin our journey.
Sarah, when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," what should I say? Sometimes my mind just goes blank.
You're not alone. Many people feel that way. Let's make it easy.
Okay, I'm listening.
Start with 3 simple things: your name, where you're from, and one detail about your life.
That's it?
That's it. Listen, my name is Sarah. I'm from New York. I'm an English teacher.
Short and clear. Can I ask something I enjoy?
Absolutely. I love reading, or I like playing guitar.
Let me try. My name is Mike. I'm from California. I love coffee and hiking.
Perfect. That sounds real and friendly.
Now you try, Sarah. Introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Sarah. I'm from New York. I love helping people learn English.
Beautiful. Everyone, now it's your turn.
Say your name, where you're from, and one thing you like.
You can say it out loud or write it in the comments.
Don't worry about mistakes. Each word you speak brings you closer to confidence.
So what comes next?
Let's talk about daily routines, because small daily words make your English flow naturally.
Like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work?
Exactly. Let's make it sound natural. Listen, I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee, then I go to work.
Simple and easy. You don't need long sentences.
Right. Keep it short and real. What time do you wake up, Mike?
I wake up at 6:30, but I stay in bed until 7.
That's honest. Then what?
I make coffee, I check my phone, I listen to music.
Perfect daily routine sentences. Now connect them. I wake up at 6:30, then I make coffee and listen to music.
It sounds smooth. Can I add feelings?
Great idea. Feelings make language human.
Okay. I wake up early, but I'm still sleepy. I drink strong coffee and read the news.
Wonderful. Everyone, try making your own short daily routine.
Say it out loud with us. Ready? I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nice job. Even one sentence a day builds your English muscles.
Can we make it more fun now? Maybe go somewhere?
Yes, let's go to a cafe. Our next topic, ordering food and drinks.
My favorite. The smell of coffee, soft music, people talking quietly.
Exactly. Picture yourself at a small cafe. You walk in, smile, and say, "Good morning. Can I have a cup of coffee, please?"
Sounds polite and easy. I always forget to say please.
It's a small word, but it makes a big difference.
Let's try a full conversation.
Okay, I'll be the barista. You're the customer.
I'm ready.
Good morning. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Yes, a croissant, please.
Great. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, that's $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
See, that wasn't scary at all.
Exactly. Real English conversations are short, friendly, and full of smiles.
Let's teach some useful phrases for cafes.
Good idea. Everyone, repeat after us. Can I have when you order something?
Anything else when you want to offer more.
For here or to go when you choose to stay or take away.
And don't forget please and thank you.
They make you sound polite and kind. Now, everyone, let's try one together. Say out loud, "Can I have a cup of tea, please?"
Nice! You sound great already.
You see how English becomes easier when you live it, not just learn it?
Totally. Talking about your morning, ordering food, it's real life.
Now let's move to our next real-life situation. Shopping and asking for prices.
I love shopping, but when I travel, I always get nervous about asking prices in English.
Don't worry. When you want to know the price, just say, "How much is this?"
That's easy. So if I'm in a clothing store, how much is this t-shirt?
Exactly. And if you're pointing at something far away, how much is that one?
What if I want to be polite?
Add please. How much is this, please? Or can you tell me the price, please?
I like that. Let's practice. I'll be the shop assistant. You're the customer.
Ready.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this jacket?
It's $50.
Oh, that's a bit expensive. Do you have any discount?
That's a very useful phrase. Do you have any discount?
I learned it from my last trip. It really helped.
You can also say, can you give me a better price? Or, is there a sale today?
Great for travelers. Let's practice together. Everyone, repeat. How much is this?
How much is that?
Do you have any discount?
Nice work. See, you're already shopping in English.
Let's move to a modern situation. Making a phone call.
Oh no, phone calls scare me. I never know what to say first.
Many learners feel that way, but it's easy if you learn a few simple sentences.
Teach me.
When you call someone, start with, "Hello, this is Sarah," or "Hi, it's Sarah."
So I say my name first.
Yes, and then state your reason. "I'm calling to ask about," or "I'd like to speak to."
Example?
"Hello, this is Mike. I'm calling to ask about my booking."
Perfect. What if the person isn't there?
Say, "Can I leave a message?" or "When will they be back?"
Can we do a full phone call example?
Sure, I'll be the receptionist.
Okay, ready.
"Good morning, City Cafe. How can I help you?"
Hello, this is Mike. I'm calling to ask about my table reservation.
"Sure, Mike. What time is your booking?"
It's for 7 p.m. tonight.
Got it. Your table is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tonight.
Wow, that was easy. I think I can do it now.
Yes, and if you don't understand something, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
That phrase is gold. Let's practice. Everyone, repeat. Hello, this is.
"I'm calling to ask about."
Can I leave a message?
Great. You're doing amazing.
What's our next adventure?
Let's take a trip to the airport.
I love airports. The energy, the excitement, the announcements.
But for many learners, it's stressful because you need English everywhere.
True. I remember my first flight alone. I was nervous at check-in.
But once you know a few simple sentences, it becomes easy.
Teach me those magic sentences.
At check-in, the staff might say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And I answer, here's my passport.
Perfect. They'll also ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
Yes, one bag, please.
Then, "Would you like a window or aisle seat?"
Window seat, please. I love watching the clouds.
Me too. And they'll tell you, "Your boarding time is at 6:30, or "Your gate is number 5.
So I should listen for boarding, gate, and passport.
Exactly. Let's do a short dialogue. I'll be the staff.
I'm the passenger.
"Good afternoon. Can I see your passport, please?"
Sure, here it is.
"Do you have any bags to check in?"
Yes, one suitcase.
"Thank you. Your gate is number 8. Boarding starts at 6:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That was so smooth and friendly.
Just remember to smile and listen carefully. Let's practice. Everyone repeat, "Can I see your passport, please?"
Do you have any bags to check in?
Your gate is number 5.
Excellent. You sound like a world traveler already.
Now let's talk about something fun, hobbies and free time.
Finally. I love talking about hobbies. They make English personal.
Exactly. When you talk about what you love, your English becomes alive.
So how do I start?
Begin with "I like" or "I love." For example, I like reading books or I love cooking.
Easy. I like playing guitar and watching movies.
Perfect. You can also say, in my free time, I...
In my free time, I go jogging.
Great. And you can ask others, what do you like doing in your free time?
Or do you have any hobbies?
Let's practice. Everyone repeat, I like listening to music.
I like playing sports.
In my free time, I read books.
I think hobbies connect people. Even a short talk about music can make new friends.
You're right. English isn't just grammar. It's connection, emotion, and joy.
Speaking of connection, our next topic fits perfectly. Talking to colleagues at work.
Many learners want to speak English confidently at work.
Sometimes it's just small talk, but it can feel so hard.
Let's make it easier. When you meet a colleague in the morning, good morning, how are you today?
Maybe add, did you have a good weekend?
Perfect. You can also say, how's your day going?
And when you finish work, see you tomorrow or have a nice evening.
Simple but professional. Let's create a short conversation.
I'll be the new employee.
Good morning. Welcome to the team, Mike.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm happy to be here.
How's your first day so far?
It's great. Everyone is so friendly.
That's wonderful. If you need help, just let me know.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
Perfect. That's how you build good relationships at work.
Let's teach some work phrases. Everyone, repeat. Good morning. How are you?
Can I help you with that?
See you tomorrow.
Very good. You're ready for your English office. Let's talk about something everyone discusses, the weather.
Weather talk is the easiest way to start a friendly chat.
Exactly. And it's so easy. It's sunny today or it's raining.
It's cold this morning, or it's very hot outside.
To start a conversation, nice weather, isn't it?
Let's do a quick dialogue. I'll be the neighbor.
Good morning. Lovely weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's so sunny. I think I'll go for a walk.
That's a great idea. I might do the same later.
See? Simple and friendly.
Let's teach weather adjectives. Everyone repeat. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold, hot.
You can also share feelings like, I love sunny days, or I don't like cold mornings.
Perfect. Everyone, tell us in the comments, what kind of weather do you like?
Sarah, we've covered so much today.
From introducing yourself to ordering coffee, shopping, phone calls, airports, hobbies, work, and weather.
That's a complete English journey.
And I want to tell our listeners something important.
What's that?
Your English journey is not a race. It's a beautiful walk filled with small victories.
Even if you remember just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Exactly. Don't chase perfection, chase communication.
Every word you say brings you closer to confidence.
Let's repeat that together. Everyone, every word I say brings me closer to confidence.
Again, every word I say brings me closer to confidence.
That's your daily mantra now.
And remember, mistakes are your teachers. Don't fear them. Thank them.
One English sentence a day is one small seed that grows into a confident voice.
Before you go, write one sentence in the comments about your favorite part of today's lesson.
We read every message, and your words inspire us.
Until next time, keep learning with love, patience, and courage.
Because English isn't just a subject, it's a journey.
Your journey.
And we'll walk it with you, one word at a time.
See you next time, dear friends.
See you soon, and remember, your voice matters.
Bye, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and comment one phrase you'll use today.